Wealth Building Secrets of Billionaires. Unleashing the Power of the Mind. Welcome to the realm of wealth building secrets of billionaires, where the power of the mind takes center stage. Behind the grand fortunes and remarkable success stories lie a set of principles and strategies that have propelled billionaires to unimaginable heights. In this exploration, we delve into the untapped potential within each of us, uncovering the transformative mindset and actionable steps that pave the way to financial abundance. Prepare to unleash the power of your mind as we unravel the secrets that can guide you towards building lasting wealth and achieving the life of your dreams. Set clear goals. When you define your goals with precision and clarity, you ignite a spark within your subconscious mind. Clear goals serve as a compass, guiding your thoughts, actions, and decisions towards manifesting your desired wealth. As you envision the future with unwavering focus, your mind becomes a magnet, attracting the necessary resources, opportunities, and synchronicities to turn your goals into reality. Setting clear goals also fuels your motivation and determination, propelling you forward even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Take a moment to visualize the life of abundance and financial success you desire. Set clear goals that align with your values and watch as the power of your mind transforms your aspirations into achievements. Develop a wealth mindset. A mindset that transcends mere accumulation of wealth. It encompasses a profound belief in abundance, prosperity, and limitless possibilities. By embracing a wealth mindset, you shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance, from limitations to boundless opportunities. You recognize that your thoughts and beliefs shape reality, and you choose to cultivate a positive relationship with money and success. With a wealth mindset, you become open to new ideas, strategies, and ventures that can propel you towards financial abundance. Let go of fear and embrace the power of intention, visualizing your goals with unwavering clarity. Your mind becomes a magnet for opportunities, attracting wealth and prosperity into your life. Dare to believe in the wealth within you, nurture your mindset, and watch as the power of your mind transforms your financial reality. Educate yourself. They understand that knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to success. By investing in your own education, you equip yourself with the tools and insights necessary to navigate the world of wealth creation. Embrace the exhilarating journey of learning, whether it be through books, seminars, podcasts, or the guidance of mentors. Expand your financial literacy, explore new strategies, and stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations. As you empower your mind with knowledge, you empower yourself to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Let curiosity be your guiding light, and let the pursuit of knowledge be the catalyst that propels you towards the pinnacle of financial success. Create multiple streams of income. Billionaires understand that relying solely on a single source of income can limit your financial potential. By diversifying your income streams, you open doors to new possibilities and expand your wealth-building horizons. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit within you and explore various avenues to generate income. Whether it's starting a side business, investing in real estate, or exploring the world of stocks and investments, each stream of income adds another layer of financial security and growth. By embracing the concept of multiple income streams, you tap into the infinite potential of your mind to create and manifest abundance. Let your mind explore, innovate, and seek out new opportunities, for within the realm of multiple income streams lies the gateway to financial freedom and limitless possibilities. Attention savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. Invest wisely. Within the realm of wealth building secrets lies the art of investing wisely, a key ingredient in unleashing the power of the mind. Billionaires understand that strategic and informed investments can generate exponential growth and wealth. By cultivating your financial acumen and staying attuned to market trends, you empower yourself to make wise investment decisions. Approach investing with a curious and open mind, seeking opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Embrace the power of research, seek advice from financial experts, and stay vigilant in assessing the potential risks and rewards. As you tap into the power of your mind, you become a discerning investor, capitalizing on opportunities that others may overlook. Trust your instincts, and let the power of your mind guide you towards building a robust investment portfolio and creating lasting wealth. Develop emotional intelligence. Billionaires recognize that success is not solely dependent on financial prowess, but also on the ability to understand and manage emotions effectively. By having emotional intelligence, you elevate your interpersonal skills, deepen connections, and foster meaningful relationships. This enables you to navigate negotiations, collaborations, and business ventures with grace and empathy. Harness the power of self-awareness and emotional regulation to overcome obstacles and setbacks, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. As you master the art of emotional intelligence, you harness the power of your mind to forge ahead, armed with resilience, empathy, and a deep understanding of human dynamics. Invest in your emotional well-being, nurture relationships, and let the power of your mind guide you towards success, not only in wealth accumulation, but in creating a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Continuously evaluate and adjust your strategies. This is a fundamental wealth-building secret that unleashes the true power of the mind. Billionaires understand the importance of adaptability and staying attuned to the ever-changing landscape of finance. By regularly assessing your progress, you gain valuable insights into what works and what needs adjustment. Embrace the mindset of constant improvement, always seeking ways to refine and optimize your approach. Be open to new ideas and innovative techniques that align with your goals. As you flex your mental muscles and make informed adjustments, you position yourself for long-term success. Remember, wealth building is a dynamic journey, and by continuously evaluating and adjusting your strategies, you unlock the potential for exponential growth and seize new opportunities that align with your evolving vision. Let the power of your mind guide you as you navigate the ever-changing tides of wealth creation and set yourself up for a prosperous future. Stay persistent and resilient. Billionaires understand that building wealth requires unwavering dedication and an unyielding spirit. Along the journey, obstacles may arise, challenges may test your resolve, but it is in those moments that persistence and resilience become your greatest allies. Embrace setbacks as stepping stones to growth, learning valuable lessons along the way. Trust in your abilities and let determination propel you forward, even when faced with adversity. Your mind is a fortress of strength, capable of weathering any storm. With every setback, rise stronger, refine your strategies, and forge ahead. Success rarely comes overnight. It is the product of persistent effort and an unwavering belief in your vision. Harness the power of your mind, stay persistent, and let resilience guide you towards the abundance and wealth you envision. The wealth-building secrets of billionaires revolve around unleashing the power of the mind. By embracing a mindset of abundance, setting clear goals, and staying persistent, one can embark on a transformative journey towards financial success. Continuously evolving and adapting to change are vital components of this path. Believe in your potential, cultivate a wealth mindset, and take action, for by harnessing the power of your mind, you can unlock your own path to wealth and abundance.